Only fruit breakfast with a juice. Berry fruit salad. Berries have some of the highest antioxidant levels of all the fruits, so they are an awesome choice in that department. They are also relatively low in calories. To make it a well-rounded meal, try a mix of blueberries, raspberries, and sliced strawberries. If you have a hard time filling up on the berries alone, eat a few almonds on the side or add a dollop of Greek yogurt into the mix. Green juice with fruit. To complete the morning juice, blend some almonds in a milk, kale, a banana, and some berries together. The kale will bulk up the drink with greens, and the banana will give you tons of fiber from its high pectin levels, which will make your drink feel like an indulgent dessert. In conclusion, we know that you often don't have time in the morning to sit down for a complete breakfast. However, most of these recommendations don't even require you to turn on the stove. You just have to peel your fruit, chop it into pieces and use your blender to make a fresh fruit juice. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.